In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download games from the Google Chrome Web Store. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide so that by the end of it, you'll have all the knowledge you need to access new and exciting games right from your browser. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your search engine of choice. Google's search engine is a great option here given that we're working with their services. Once there, type in Google Chrome Web Store and hit enter. What you're looking for is the official link to the Chrome Web Store, which should be one of the top results. Go ahead and click on that link and you should find yourself on the homepage of the Chrome Web Store, surrounded by a myriad of apps and extensions just waiting to be explored. Now that you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice categories lined up on the left side of the page and a search bar up top. This search bar is incredibly useful, particularly for narrowing down your options. Now, type Games into the search bar and press enter. Immediately, you'll be presented with a broad selection of games, both popular and those hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Take your time to browse through these results. Clicking on any game that piques your interest will bring up its dedicated page. Here you can find screenshots, descriptions, and user reviews, all valuable bits of information to help you decide if it's the right game for you. Once you've decided on a game that you want to try, look for the Add to Chrome button, typically displayed in blue. Clicking this initiates the download and installation process. If you're logged into your Google account, the download will start automatically. If not, you might be prompted to sign in, so make sure you've got your login details handy. After you've added the game to Chrome, you might notice a small icon or pop-up confirming the installation. Some games might open a new tab to start the game right away, while others add an icon to your extensions bar or the apps section of your Chrome browser. Whatever the case may be, it's a good idea to check where your new game is located to ensure easy access in the future. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to downloading games from the Google Chrome Web Store. If you encounter any issues along the way, be sure to double-check your Chrome settings or reach out to the extension developer for support. I hope this has been helpful and that you're now ready to explore the wonderful world of Chrome Web Store games. Happy gaming, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.